Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our presentation on the relationship between sleep hygiene, sleep quality, and academic performance among nursing students. Our group, myself, LaShawn, Kathy, Felicia, Mitzi, and Victoria, conducted a mixed methods research project examining how sleep patterns and sleep hygiene behaviors influence learning and clinical functioning in nursing students. So this slide breaks down why sleep matters so much in nursing school. Nursing students juggle intense coursework, long travel times, unpredictable clinical rotations, and constant stress, all of which wreck healthy sleep routines. When sleep suffers, so does focus, memory, clinical decision-making, and overall academic performance. Even with these risks, there's barely any structured research testing sleep hygiene education for nursing students. Our study steps in to close that gap and examine whether better sleep habits can boost students' performance. So this slide explains our PICO questions. So P, nursing students, I, sleep hygiene education, C, healthy promotion, and O, improve sleep quality and academic performance. So this study shows strong methodological design using validated instruments like PSQI and LCJR, a pre and post measurement structure, and controls that support solid internal validity. At the same time, the small single site sample, short intervention period, and limited adjustment for confounders can make it harder to generalize the findings. Even with these limitations, the project remains methodically solid, ethically grounded, and highly relevant, earning 8 out of 9 stars on the Newcastle OTA scale, which aligns with rating for high quality cohort studies. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mitzi and I'll be presenting on a Prisma flow chart. Here today we have a diagram that outlines how we went about our research. So with an explanation, the flow chart summarizes how evidence was gathered for the literature review portion of our project. We began with 1,465 database records, narrowed the list using automated tools, and screened 1,349 eligible records. After removing non-relevant studies, 116 articles were targeted for retrieval, but only 8 full text studies were available and met inclusion criteria. These 8 studies form the evidence base for our systematic review. Slide 5. The systematic dynamic model explains the model visually represents the relationship among sleep, hygiene, education, sleep quality, and academic performance. The central intervention, sleep hygiene, education, improves behavior like limiting caffeine, reducing screen time, and creating a restful sleep environment. These behaviors enhance sleep quality, which in turn improves cognitive functioning and academic engagement. Through positive feedback loops, better sleep leads to more consistent, healthy habits, strengthening outcomes over time. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Kathy, and I'm going to be talking about the systematic review findings. Across the 8 included studies that Mitzi mentioned, Several consistent themes emerged. Sleep quality strongly correlates with GPA and test performance. Consistent sleep routines improve alertness and retention of information. Students with poor sleep experience higher stress and lower cognitive performance, and behavioral sleep hygiene interventions are low cost, effective, and easy to implement. Overall, research supports sleep as a key determinant for academic success. Across multiple peer-reviewed studies, sleep quality emerged as a critical determinant for academic success. Evidence consistently demonstrated that students who engage in structured sleep hygiene behaviors experience improved alertness, longer sleep duration, and enhanced academic outcomes. These findings support the relevance of implementing educational interventions. Next, I will be talking about the survey methodology. This portion describes our primary data collection. We surveyed 24 nursing students using a cross-sectional descriptive design. The survey measures three areas: sleep quality, which includes environmental disturbances, sleep hygiene, including behaviors and routines, and academic performance, which are perceived impact of sleep. Responses were measured using Likert scales, allowing us to identify trends and connect findings to our conceptual model. Thank you.
I believe Felicia is going right now.
I'm sorry, I was talking on mute. My name is Felicia. I will be talking about sleep quality findings. Results for question one showed the most respondent rated their sleep quality as moderate to high. The most common responses were 6, which was 37.5%, and 7, which was 29.2%. These suggestions, environmental disruptions like noise, temperature, lighting, were not severe barriers. It was also implied that behavior based strategies may have a stronger influence on sleep outcomes for this population. I'm going to be talking about academic performance findings, which is Q7. For this question 7, students overwhelmingly agreed that sleep influences academic performance. The most common responses were 7, which was 45.8%, and 6, which was 20.8%. Students strongly perceive that sleep affects concentration, exam scores, and clinical competency, aligning with broader research linking sleep to cognitive functioning.
Hi, I'm Victoria, and I'm here to talk about the rest of the slides. So this is a slide of the combined model graph, Q1 plus Q7 plus Q11. This graph compares the three variables, sleep quality, Q1, academic performance, Q7, and sleep hygiene behaviors, Q11. The upward trends show that better sleep hygiene behaviors are associated with higher sleep quality and stronger academic performance. The variables move in parallel, supporting the theoretical framework that healthy sleep routines promote both physical rest and academic productivity. These are our conclusions and recommendations. Our findings highlight the importance of sleep hygiene for academic success. Our recommendations include 1. Providing structured sleep hygiene workshops. 2. Teaching stress management strategies. 3. Guiding students on caffeine and use and bedtime routines. We also recommend that future research include long-term intervention studies to confirm causal relationships. And this slide is our references. It lists all of our scholarly sources that we used in our systematic review and project.